At this point, I'm kind of into theatrics, so I lit a candle. I lit a candle in my last video, and excuse the noise, they're doing construction downstairs. But I think I'm really on the verge of solving this whole mystery matrix or mystery matrix cube, and I'll show you exactly what I mean, and I'll use one of these pens to point it out. If you look at this, you'll notice the 1 plus 2 is 3. Let me brighten this up. Okay, 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. You can do it this way too. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. The same thing over here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. And 3 plus 6 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. And 3 plus 6 is 9. Over here, except backwards. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. So it goes this way and that way. 6 equations are correct in this way. It's correct in this way. 6 equations. 3 equations overlapping each other twice. And it's the same as this way. Well, those are all the things you can fit on there together symmetrically. I think that's the word I want to use. Well, when I discovered these numbers, and I put these on here with brightly fluorescent colors for the theatrics, I guess, I don't know. But what I discovered is when you intersect the numbers to their corresponding positions on this 8 cubed subgroup, sub block of cubes, and add them together, you get this right here. Now brighten this up again. You get this. You get 4 is 12 on the far side, on the upper side up here. Right below this 4 is a 12. If you can look in there and see that 12. And 4 added to 12 is 16. If you can see that 16. So that's correct. So this is a part that I'm mentioning and showing right there. 12, there'd be a 4 up here. The 12 is the intersection of 4s. And that adds together to give 16. Also, numbers. 4 on the other side and 12 right here adds going this way to get 16. And then then 4 and 12 over here to get 16. And I'm gonna try to scoot this back under there again with one hand. And the only area, and see right here, 3 plus 9 is 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 16 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1 over, or 1, it's one number over, that's the discrepancy. 6 plus 16 is 22, and this says 21. Over here, 6 plus 16 is 22, but this says 21. And right here is 3 over. 9 plus 21 is 30, and this is only 27. And these orange numbers are made by the intersections of all these other numbers around the cube. So this tells me that I'm very close, and this is right. Every single blue number you see on here is the correct number, and they're correctly positioned along this cube to have all these equations being true the way they are. Every single one of them is right. So the only mystery that's left is, why is there a discrepancy? 6 plus 16 is 22. Over here, 6 plus 16 is 22, and this is 21. And right here at this corner, 9 plus 21 is 30, but this is 27. And so something, I don't know what it is, but this is the last mystery of this cube that I can solve, that I can try to solve. I don't know why, because all the numbers are correct to give all these equations to be correct in every single direction. I think there's 42. If you count them, there's 42. 1, 2, 3, 21, 16, 6. Well, it's wrong going this way too, I guess, because this would be 22, and wrong going this way too, and I guess wrong going this way and wrong going that way. So, but the idea behind this all is that all of these are correctly numbered and positioned numbers. And for them to have these slight discrepancies, I don't know what is amiss, but there's something, a mystery to be solved. So that's the reason I kept this loose from the rest of it, so you can take it out and study it yourself. 12, 16, 16, 21, 16, 21, I think 21 down there, and 27 right here. Same as I have up here. I added all the intersections together. So I'm really close to solving this whole entire mystery matrix. Thanks a lot.